Hello, my name is Chitrang Bhargav, and with me here are Khizar, Jeez, Vatsar, and Lalu. Today we are going to present our topic step for starting the travel agency business in India. We have always heard that no one can buy happiness. That is not true statement. Travel is just thing you buy that makes you happy. In the present scenario, tourism and travel are reaching great heights. Traveling is now a day is a part of everyone's lifestyle. If you really understand and love doing travel planning and help you near and dear ones to experience great traveling, then you can think to start with a travel business or agencies. They are growing and almost demand industries this time. But the question arises that how to start that all and as from where to start. So today we are going to discuss all about that in the later part. But before that, we should know the statistics for the India. According to the World Travel Tourism Council has calculated that tourism has generated 16.91 lakh crore rupees or 240 billion US dollars, or we can say 9.2% of India's GDP in 2018. The sector is predicted to grow at an annual rate of 6.9% to 32.05 lakh crore, which is 450 billion US dollar by 2028, which is 9.9% of GDP. This means the market for travel and tourism is growing at a rapid pace.
Before starting any business, we require a plan which can be achieved by the process of planning. So, the first step is to create a plan for your travel business. In this plan, you should define your target audience, for example, family, married couples, teenagers, etc. Also, attractive offers like 10-day Singapore trip or 5-day Goa beach package. You have to decide pricing and profit. Also, your market strategy, for example, how do you want to promote, for example, by newspaper, Facebook, etc. The second step is to analyze the market and market trend. We all know that travel business flourish more during a certain period of the year. For example, summers are known to attract more business to travel agencies due to the vacations. So that starting your business around this time would be quite beneficial as there will be a higher demand for your services. Due to the introduction of e-tourism visa to foreign travelers, there has been a sharp increase in them visiting India as tourists. It estimates claim to 52.3 percentage growth for foreign tourists coming to India on an e-tourist visa. Such an increase means that you could benefit from targeting foreign tourists as well. People from different regions of our country crave different travel destinations. For example, people from a region in Gujarat would have different travel preferences than someone living in Uttarakhand. The geographical factors of a region play a pivotal role in catering to the travel needs of people. This should be taken into consideration before you set up a travel business in a certain area.
Now, step 3, take care of the legal formalities. In this, once you have formulated a definite plan for opening your travel agency, you need to consider the legal aspects of setting up such a business like travel agency registration process. A few of the legal formalities to have to recognize travel agency includes register the agency as per the Companies Act. You need to register a GST registration of your agency. You need to provide an application letter to the government as well as IATA, which means International Air Transport Association. International Air Transport Associations have several benefits like badge of credibility to your travel business, more exposure of to your agency. It means it's a legislation and regulation step. Now step 4, hire a professional with certificate. Hiring good support staff can sometimes mean the difference between the success and the failure, as well as it also distinguishes between obtaining more clients or consistently losing clients. To assist you in a process of setting up your travel business, you should consider hiring a travel and tourism professional. Such a professional with a certification can help you guide better with the do and the don'ts of setting up a travel agency. Moreover, such professionals have a lot of practice experience in the field, which shall be helpful in bringing some real world experience while setting up the business. It means the hiring a professional with a certificate is a very good helper and the maybe a leader of your plan of starting the travel agency business.
Now the step 5 here gather your funds needed for the travel business investment. Luckily, you won't have expensive equipment to buy and you probably won't need a huge space in the beginning. You may need some money to rent an office space, initial branding and promotion. Many travel agencies are the family funded. See if you can start one from saving if not apply for small business loan. Now step 6, build a brand, not a just a travel agency. Offer experience, not a just a service. uh, Define how your customers should feel when they visit your place, website, you advertising or use your service. Think about this, what experience can I provide that other can't? Offer unique service such a partnership with local of your travel destination. The customer wouldn't have the access to otherwise. Provide the options for the backpack travelers.
Now the step 7 is advertise your agency with local promotion. Think about how you want to advertise your travel agency. Word of mouth, local advertising, recommendations from others are way to drive traffic to your travel business. Usually offline advertising can be very expensive, but don't miss out on it. Step 8 is market your travel business online, which is also called digital marketing. It is important to realize that consumers of this generation are increasingly relying on the internet for information. Most travel related booking are made online. Accept all the ticket booking like bus booking, train booking, flight booking online. You will end up getting a lot more loyal customers by doing so. And the most important rule in this scenario is have a strong online presence. The travel and tourism industry in India has a lot of latent potential for making money. Why, may you ask? It's because of the following. The travel industry contributed around $208.9 billion to the Indian GDP in 2016. Around 9.6% of India's total GDP was from this sector. Introduction of e-tourist visas has blown the travel market to the new heights. The relaxing of some travel barriers has made it easier for the people in India to travel.